Welcome to April's Market Update, brought to you in cooperation with this sponsor. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of April. The number of active listings was stable from 1 year earlier and up 33% from the previous month. These latest figures mean that buyers had a greater selection of homes to choose from compared to the previous month. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just over $240,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was down 67%. This lower number of days may signal a positive trend in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just under $200,000. The number of units sold decreased 5% year over year and increased 34% month over month. Despite a slight annual decrease, this upward monthly sales trend indicates positive momentum. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.